Good morning everyone. Magluluto po tayo ngayon ng chicken curry Filipino. Thanks everyone. God bless you all. Bye. Chicken curry. Chicken, sibuyas, bawang, sili, carrots, patatas, Alaska evap, black pepper at chicken powder, curry powder. Guys, prito muna natin yung patatas guys. Yung patatas guys, carrots naman. Ito guys, bell pepper. Prito naman natin. Ilagay yung sibuyas at bawang. Lagay na natin yung manok. Nilagyan ko na ng paminta at patis. Naglagay na tayo ng curry powder. Guys, lagay na natin yung condensed milk, evap. Natin yung carrots guys, lagay na natin yung patatas, natin yung bell pepper. Guys, ito na po yung chicken curry. Yummy yummy guys, love you all, God bless you always, bye.